Of course, me take it up. I'm not take my time over. No, I'm not blow this time. I never drop salad. You don't know it's our Sunday. All I have to get to crib. Yes, goodie. We not call nobody name, but we are going to reason and talk about something. Both teeth and tongue say, post are right and this and that. I say post are right. Who are right post? They must say yeah. They must burn out some people and they must burn out. Me I say I coulda what is? Me say who them a burn out? And me I say Jesus, you come and you cry out wolf, you cry sheep. You say them blaze up shot upon your goods. And you come out. You come out a hospital, both teeth and tongue tell me this, you know. Both teeth and tongue in front of me, eye, me see it with my two spectacle. Me I tell, I'm glad we do. I say, before you go seek some prayer, go to your JVS with this tomorrow sitting, you know, man. Go to your 7th-day Adventist, everything. Touch you. You understand? You there, I tell people to suck their mama already. Me say to Jesus, you not even come out of the spectacle, God. Mama suck already, I mean. Go pray. Come on, many man. What's wrong with you? Many man. Come on. Wish that upon me. When me not trouble nobody. When me I trouble people. Somebody talking to you, some trouble nobody. From a commercial, some trouble nobody. Mommy are wicked. Mommy left me alone. So yes, goods. Out the hospital. 17 hours for gunshot. Them I forced me hear this in a blood clot history. 17 hours in a hospital for gunshot. Good gunshot. What the type of fucker about me if I stop it? Gonna me say both teeth and tongue say alright and now we see them the video there and everybody a ball out say yes they did hear gunshot Friday night or Saturday night. So they do run me down. Listen to me, me not in a race. Me not over stadium, nobody not run me down. Everybody not both teeth and tongue, ears and blood clot tonsil say. Them boyfriend did it, then draw down this, that. Somebody don't come tell me about no old video, no this, no that. Want to mix up. My head. Una wicked, una help people at the lie. Me nah, don't care. Blow, run off, me nah listen. Go there. You mean me happy? Let me ice cream. Look, mommy, leave me alone. Can't be that trouble in the child. Look here. All me answer is everybody a wallet. Mama post video. Mini man. Wish the Mama not even play like a Grace Thrillers. Mr. Mama not even play one Sandra Brooks. None of that she not play. No Grace Thrillers. Hmm? Me swear think me that you want Kevin Downswell. A 50 me here. If I laugh my back. God no, me alone. Come on, me that expect Kevin Downswell. You know what I mean? Like, me did expect for she play all this. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. If I'm too high, Lord, please bring me down. Amen. Look at it. Me say, when you look, you're Tommy Lee, you're 50, too early, and me say, look at Christ. me say, me swear to me that you one blunt, you know what I mean? Come on, even one Kirk Franklin, you feel me, David? Something, karaoke. Well, you know that, so we don't want to hear that one. What the other one there? What the one? You can see the stars across the sky. I finally realized I've been waiting all my life. Sitting like them there. Go there. Where I go with them the world and there. You not give thanks for life then, go there. You not give thanks for life, goods. Me not see I give thanks to life all know yet. Where gospel them there? You do not feel it. You don't feel it. Yes, if you did feel it, if you did once feel it, trust me, you're baptized. Right now. Go to that one. Sunday you should have that church. Live. With the Wallaway. The Wallaway that join the live there. Go there. You don't feel it. When we feel things, let me tell you what me know when we feel things. This is when me feel goods. It's when me feel things all in a sea water, I'm going to chuck off in a go there. Me pray to God, me ball to God, go there. Me go to the feet of God, to the altar, to him toenail, me go. Me rest down my forehead upon him toenail and say, Father, take your problem. Take your stress. Take the whole like goods. You know what I mean? You don't feel it. Because you don't reach to the Father knee, I'll know you don't reach to the Father toenail. You must be mad. All of we when we break and we mash up and we down, and we belly and we down, and we back and side and we ears of Jesus we run to. You will run to Tommy Lee and 50 Cent at the first. Me see this. Mini man. A church of a go goody. Mr. Goody all big worldly and thinking me when they am front, married to my wife. When I have any problem I run to the Lord. I him me run to. Me no know where you did I run to good, you not feel nothing. You not feel nothing of you. Not at it. Goody, me said the worst how we all gunman run to Father God when time ain't a problem of worries. You run to 50. Me disgusted, and I disgusted at the truth. Even I like the truth to come off of my life and come lick up my body wall. Go there. Go there, I want him, I have no respect, I need for respect, I don't know you. If me attack, well, you don't want you come off of my blood clot, like me attack the truth to that Sunday. You see, you get shot how much days ago, you don't see God yet? I'll know you're not going to look for Christ. Come on, Christ need to see you. Please, I mean, come on. Goody. My ice cream melt. Mr. Goody, when no problem reach, none of we dirty thinking worldly and out here, so the first place we go catch up underneath Father God balls. Yeah, me say, as no problem and no brush on we shoulder out here, so we cry out and we scream out and we go scrape on Father God balls and say, boy, Father God, rub your balls in for me today. So when me hear, me go call me baby, but me just start my mind. Me talk it truth. Well, I not talk about this and that. No matter how you say you the bodies, when time real problem take you, pitney shot fit you, and God alone can help you. If you don't see God, that means you're not in a no problem at all. Mr. Goody, I know you know catch up on the Father God battery rotate me. I wonder why. Yeah? I say, yeah, Satan good. Satan, she doesn't walk with you, sir. Satan, she got your back like a fucking Turkish shell, bitch. I'm telling you. Goody, me not ask none of them telling the truth. Me say, Goody, me see all cartel run to God. All family run to God goods. Me nah laugh. I true. When trouble take your pitney shot fit ya, me say as soon as them drop like a scamming charge from poor little Tommy lady, Papa run to God. Pray subtle. God, you know you got oh Lordy, help me. All of them run to God and you alone run to 50. Cause you take your life for a joke, so why shouldn't we? The whole of that time, yeah, what to take it for a joke? Then this one a girl take for your one a life a joke, so why should I take it serious? I feel my life. Look like that black lad idiot. It kills me. Must it kills me. Man, nah do this sit down. You want me to take your life serious and you not take it serious? Then some alright. Listen to the logics, make a reason. Somebody does palm tree shot in a you. And you run to 50 cent? Pussy clat. You look like me a clap me out and be a crackhead. And I dead, me nearly dead. How 50 can help me? Me I go near to the savior. He move and draw close to. Like a blood clot beer buckle in our party. Draw close to the NSC buckle. Me not ask you. Go there. You need to draw close to Alpha and Omega because I hope to that Sunday and you there in your house, you know that church, you look like see you in a tank and see you live. A 50 cent you want thank him rich, him no know you, him no want know you neither. Him no business, him give thanks to you listen to that song there. From 19 how long. You know how long many men get shot? Many men nearly dead for about 2005. Jarrell no got prison for it. Jarrell will come back a road. Look at God. Huh? Me, look here. Me say, what do you want? Like a problem, they catch me no goods. Me can show you something. I'm so good, me chuck off all in a sea water, chew a green line back on me and 23rd Psalm and the 27th Psalm and every fucking Psalm I can take off. Me never read the Bible so yet. Me still till me read the Bible, I read all one book named Enoch. Me I tell you some me start dive deep into the Almighty them the time them there. Me not ask you, but good you not have no problem I go on for you. Good you know, since 50 you drop the whole of your problem, Pam. Huh? The way all you ever the live at talk about say you remember you did that Mac Rebel? You remember you did that Mac? Big up my baby Rebel. Love you boy. I love you bad. Can't wait for you and get better. You remember? You remember? You remember oh your teeth I want a page and you're just a troubling dog every day. What you play? What you play? What you play? No. Me mock you. Me take a cussing for everybody. Somebody have to take a cussing. What you play? 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 Remember, you know, I saw Rebel in that dance, you know, big up my baby Rebel. Big up Rebel. Big up Rebel. Big up. You remember? You remember? Oh, oh it go, oh it go, oh it go. What you play? 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 What you big up high water and you know it going on. Intense. Me have couple of a friend. Yo, intense. Yo, intense. Me never have one girl in my thoughts, me. You remember? Yeah, Maggie dog them. Eh? Me never have one girl in my thoughts, me. What you play? 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 Me never have one girl in my thoughts, me. Play, play. Play, 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 play. Play, play. Play, play. Play, 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 play. Play, play. What you play? Play, 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 play. What you? What you? Sit the play. Bobby, I don't know. There's a trouble. I like people was in trouble. Right now, this year, this life is in. This is in the hearts of all of the people that you stole from them. Hey, Renee, 6:30. Where you there? 6:30. 6:30. 6:30. 6:30. Whoa, Renee, do one promo for me now, Renee. Wine up to my song, Renee. 6:30. What? How much followers you have again, Renee? 6:30, 600. Good ass. Why? Big up good ass 6:30. Say you take your page. You just take your page and get up and sit down. You see me? Selling a page right now. 600k followers. Yeah? And you just hit my DM for the promos. Hit my DM for the promos. Promos, I'm gonna go for 20,000, 25,000. What you? Play. Play. Me never have one girl in my thoughts, me. Big up intense and high water here, man. Yes. Look. Oh! Can I get a while? Water with Walipa, all kind of call the ambulance. Wow. I'm tiny, Rani. Candy, wow, how you feel? Now, you're on Hori TV. Where did you get this wow thing from? I've been saying wow for a long time now. And wow just take off from other people and love me. I mean, Can I get a wow? Wow. Walter with wow. Walipa. Wow. Call the ambulance. You see it? All we have to do is just say and then start the war with. So, alright. Oh. So okay. No, I'm fine, baby Lord. Oh my God. Baby Lord. Baby Lord. Come on, baby lizard. Baby lizard, come on. Baby lizard. Baby lizard. Oh, baby lizard. Suck off my tongue, baby lizard. Suck off my tongue, baby lizard. Baby lizard, this is your tongue. Suck off my slimy tongue, baby lizard. Baby lizard. Blood clot. Baby lizard. You, what wine? What wine? What wine? What wine? Yeah, man. The promos, them are going, wicked, you know. Hi, Vonnie. Hello? Hello, baby lizard. This is Ivani. I want to do a promo. Meet me off a tree, and then I will link up with the body. Boom! And take your page. Wow, you see why I have to take your page? Because it don't have no sense. You and baby lizard don't have any sense. That's why me huckle the page and take it because I don't secure anything. How would I come talk? I wanna not secure on a page. What if it's secure on a page? So people can't take on the page. That's why me come bright. Me about 50 subjects. Baby lizard. Boba, Bemba, I never see the higher joy. It's true you're the sick bed. But there's a give a recap of all the way you go out with. You see me? Just give me the rest of it, you know, my night, you know, me in my pajama, you know, night. Me, what did it? You are the cat, did it? Movie, come and sleep. Cat, did it? You have it done, did it? From Sunday to Sunday, did it? Yo. Yo, remember, you know, me just like, yeah, mama, you all how you laugh, man. We just like, yeah, recap how we are going with. I don't know, bad. Alright, here one now. You see, when you take wow page, everybody thinks that was the icing on the cake. You say, yo, at them the time they start as the bandit now, you know, you start be the bandit for fucking gram. Everybody know you as Ivani the hacker. Your boss big, you know. Remember, you know, I miss you, but pussy, you're not boss. Remember when Pretty that did come for your wicked and I say, pussy, you're not boss. Boom, you start hacky page, man, your boss big now as a hacker. Everybody has a blood clot. We can't stop a blood clot hacker again, you know. Boom, no. I can't control. Why do they want to listen? They want to listen. Me I say blood clot. Mama walks off control button. Me I say bumbo clot. Then so yet control button. Me I say control button. Just fuck up himself about some face, you know. Everybody talk about control. Everybody has a control button. Cause you don't do a control button to fuck bitch, you know. So me 200,000 fans. Me I say blood clot. Look how high van it take blood clot. Baba bitch human page. You see me I say me bumbo clot. You never listen. Never. So me hear blood clot. Yo, what time me here control about the company? I say yo, that she took it by my phone number. Oh my god, what this bitch? Who the fuck? What the fuck this bitch know about this? Good as member, you have social media house. Have you? All media have you? Remember when you start with them your blood class sitting there every day you. Come on man. Man, no matter how disgrace you're still there. No matter how we disgrace you, I tell you how much pussy you sell out under your think and your blood clot froze and blood clot draws and yellow. You know blood clot care. Hmm? 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 Brain flu is good as. Now my little run on my spot, so I go buy ice cream, no it in the fridge there. But it cool and nice, a great value. But now I left out Walmart, my friend. Can't forget where I come from. Yeah, man, I got in bed, man. I love it too, boy. I crave him. Hey, I want to do it. I recap with Mama. It was lovely. Me not feel for tap yet, because good as enough more thing you go on with. Me say, Mama, I can't forget. I could tell you how you lose the 600 page. You remember how you lose the 600 page with your cat? Remember your cat page and then take Instagram shut it down because you bring the same dirty style over your page with your cat. Mama, you see when your cat big page them, you can't deal with them like how you deal with them. You go on the blood class 600 page. Draw down the wall of your clothes, skin out the wall of your pussy. Yeah, you skin out the wall of your pussy and a wine and like a got blood clot front. The wall of chicken back there with me. I say, what a blood clot. How put G-string pan chicken back? Me I say, bomb clot. You must skin out the wall of the down front. Me I say, one say, boom. Instagram take down your page. Me say, look at that. Boom, you got some bop and cat another page. You got some boops and your catty wicked. And me I say blood cleaner, you're serious. Guess me on yeah, dog. I say, you're serious, buddy. But good as, to be honest, you have a big problem with me, You remember how you come on me live and you tell me, say if me no come on for your name, what you gonna do my page? To this day, me still take it up on my head for now come on for your name. Because me seriously want to see what you do with the page. You see, pray? Me say, Mama, I will get up and call your name every blood clot there just because I know you can't do me nothing. Me not ask you. Yeah, man. Remember I tell you, say, your pussy, I stinkiest, and I still believe say, you have a dirty as fuck. You're the stinkiest girl. You're drunk, STD, I kill you. Nobody feel like, say, everything what we said before, me take back the night. No, man, you're still drunk and yourself fuck like dog, Mama. Stink like dog. You see, bro? Yeah, man, the man then tile it. use condom, STD factory. Someone who want to talk about how you feel say that out of about the blood clot you mean? Me a one human where no matter what reach you, me still feel the same way about you. If me believe say you is a pussy wall and you're dead tomorrow morning, you still a one pussy wall for me. Me don't know about you, but for me, you're still a pussy though. That no change nothing about what me feel about you a bumbucklad, you hear that? You say if I don't stop calling your name, what you going to do to the page and to this blood clot name? Me not stop calling him because me want to see what you going to do. Me like when people prove themselves, you know. You see me? Prove yourself, B. You see me? Good as. You hear what me I try to tell you, good? You good as. You say. You come under me live, remember? Me never gonna need one of your live them yet. And a 5 different time you underneath for me live. With your real claims, the cat page them, with your teeth every day, and you come, this, that. Oh, that Felicia? Man, bye, Felicia. Stupid ass. Oh, I'm dear Felicia. Felicia, where are the problem live, Felicia? Felicia, fuck out, Felicia. Where are the problem live? Eh? Felicia, market wall. Coronation catches. Where are the problem wall? Cemetery wall. Where are the professor? Me a pen cemetery. Where are the problem live? Hmm? Mama, me no buy fuck. Me married. With the blood clot you do for me life, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Felicia. Bye. Felicia, come lick out my body wall, Felicia. Oh, dirty girl. Come on, my life, junker. Come on. Bumbuckler did that dirty thinking, bumbuckler pussy girl. Come on, my life, junker. You don't know some of these people. Come off of my life thinking wall, Felicia. Come off of my life thinking wall. Yeah? Yes, me spit out in your face, dirty girl. Come off of me live. Dear girl, I don't. When I hear me? Yes, Lord. No, what me? I girl there now. Be nice. Come on for my blood clot life, cause me now go be nice, so good girl. Come on my life. You hear me? You not hear me? You hear me? No. And you know it's a run me there. You know it's a run me there, I run with thinking blood clot head girl. Anybody when I hear me, read the sign language them. Go and go suck out your blood clot mama. You're thinking dry blood clot crutches, mama. Your mama whole think like blood clot dog. Your mama have a dry blood clot head at Jamaica. Your blood clot mama should have dashed you the day when she find out that she conceive. The day when your mama and your papa did a fuck, the condom never should have blood clot broke and make a dirty blood clot drunker like you come yourself. Get that? I'm using the sign language in me at school. You see, Pre? See, Pre? You see, Pre? Alright. Drunker. You see me? Drunker. Dead dog. Sodomite. So to call me. Me techie. Techie back. Suck out your mama. Suck out your father. Suck out your people. Them. You see me? I need it so. Fuck it. You see me? Fuck them. Huh? What they say about me? Who give a fuck what people say about me? You hear me run round a blood clot. Words are when it blows and kind. When I can't say that for earth, blood clot me. You idiot. If me say sitting for earth, you just because your blood clot self-esteem low. Pussy. You see me? You can't say nothing for blood clot hurt me. Because meanwhile you sit down right there and watch me I get blood clot money. A money that me I get for I do this right now. You chat, you look a loose chat them. Nothing you not get out of that more than chattings. A chat. So you see when me live, and me run away from me live and them thing then. Me was say me I get paid for running away in the dog. Me I get paid if you tell if you go chuck up in your mama and stuff up yourself in him like on submarine. Remember that, man. Me can't, I got this here, yo, the pussy clad, dear my friend, youth, yo. You blood clot say anything. Nina, all you to near from night, you blood clot there. How this, our rasta, how, more say how this good. Someone who look a claim say blood clot man. We claim to say we no rape me and who sodomite fit dead. Pussy come off from a blood clot live. You know, say me know one more than your pussy wall. My wife the right here, so what you want to do? A fuck contest you want going on with me? Near you can't get no more girl than me, you with me. A bigger girl is for you, brother. You there, so look for a man who fuck more girl than you. You hate. Go suck out your father, you. He look like he's a rasta pussy who go chop some bumbo clad greens or some chunks and go suck your mother from a live, you. Look for the amount of woman underneath my life and you not even have so much of follow your body boy. Tia. Stop going run competition over here so with me, my friend. Me put down the Gallus Award and take up marriage, bro, God. No come over here so come talk to me, my friend. No boy can't hate for me pussy. Cause if you're a man, you're not supposed to hate me if you're a fuck girl. You're supposed to have fuck more than me. Or it hurt you so body boy. Eh? Tia. You the whole on come out from yesterday too and make a look a slick talk them just cause I don't want people here on the name, you know. Near man a rinse out for your body wall like blood clot plastic plate in a dog. You see me a beer eye left in a fear plate cause I don't have good blood clot dishwashing liquid, you know. You see pray. You see if I don't know, I even want black on it, you know, dog. Oh, I'm telling you, youth. What? I broke teeth? That's what you got? That's all you got? Clean ass teeth, though. What? Huh? Stupid ass little dummy. Fuck. I got clean them out than all of y'all stupid ass niggas, bruh. What, you want to see my teeth again? All right, look. Huh? You got something to say to me? Stupid ass idiot, bro. How many times I done fixed the same teeth over? I'm still a gonna name oxtail. And it's still a got chips and broke again because me have money for buy blood clot oxtail. Oxtail bone broke teeth. And you see chew for your teeth, then a broke a chew, you can't buy blood clot oxtail. Stick to your blood clot chicken back strips, my friend. Chicken back bone easy if it chop. You see blood clot, you see when it come to oxtail bone, you can't chew that. And I love chew bone. It always a gonna broke my blood clot teeth. See pray? What else? Me not black them, you know. More here, what else? What else? Come man, cause I love blood clot trace. I don't have no harmonization. Go fix teeth. What? A chip teeth? What chip teeth in my blood clot mouth? You see my teeth them white? Do you not see my teeth them blood clot white and feel one them resemble chiffon butter? Or what do you mean I'll eat some, you know? But go over there and see mommy did and I say, good yeah, where you get this? Yacht. I can't cuss with dunce here, bro, God. When I like the hairstyle and true, you know what my wife start though? Yeah, I don't want cussing nobody, because I not give enough fame, dog. Just go jump up in your mama. Yo, what my wife do, she twist it up and then open them and them kind of curly, dog. I want to curl up my sideburns, them come straight down, yes, okay. I don't want to tell you still, you know. I want to kind of look blood clot Spanish. You see, when I grow up my blood clot sideburns, them start look like blood clot Fabio. I sit down on South Beach and just on a lawn chair and a cold beer, I tell you, you know. La 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 bam. La 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 bam. All them attack and attack, madam. Yes, you will sit up on the lunch here and relax. Don't do them pussy will idiot there. Hold on. Me not do that because you me go and put up this for me youth. Oh yeah. Make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dan Pretty Dan Parks. When I go see that, me about 18,000 subscribers. Go and go subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click the notification bell. So you can see every time I post one video, always put the notification bell. So you see as I put up a video, you see goes a bump on your screen and you say blood clot pretty just put up another video. Yeah, dog. You see, Pri? You see, Pri? No, I'm telling you, man, I love you like life, man. Not true, man. What more of it? You see, Pri, because at the end of the day, you know, you have to go some boom and put your thing to good use. You see, Pri? That's why some of the time when I hear people I say, yo, with blood clot, you not talk about social media now do nobody nothing no social media no. Hey, good nana, go suck out your mama come on from me live no girl, nobody not girl, come on from me live. Suck your mother and come on from me live no man. Yeah man, please man. Go find your mama and suck out your mama man. And come on from a bum buckler live, you deaf? You want me to take you off? You look like if you got me have a blood clot key and a yarn knock pan door. Go suck out your mother dog, you deaf? When me tell if you come off of my life, I'm giving you a good, you know, go on by yourself, leave. Don't ever make me have to put out your bum buckler. You see, Pri? Don't, if you see me done with that thing, don't blood clot. Hey, listen, you don't come tell me how to feel. Make me feel how me feel. You can't tell me if I feel this way. You see, Pri? Yeah, anything with me talk about. Alright, this is America. I play the fifth. You can't do that, you know. You can't play the fifth. You can't have to talk. And then you also have freedom of blood clot speech. You can say anything you want to say out of your mouth. You hear me, I tell you? Anything at all you want to. Me not thief people things, me not touch people, me not stop nobody food, but me say anything I want to say out of my mouth. How my mouth? Me not pay tax for. Me not pay rent for. Me no lazy. Me no blood clot to pay mortgage. So you understand, me can't talk out of my blood clot beak as much as me want. I can be the Jamaican parrot if me feel like it. Make me be a parrot. Make me talk all more. Make me be blood clot. You know, parrot of the century. Make me do that. Me can chat as much as me want to chat out of my mouth. As long as me not box out no food out of your mouth, stop no food for you, you no need for. You see me, I deal with. Me cussing in the boy pit here. Come on, my life. And then some me gonna start dealing. Me you see me? Any boy me see say sitting for my life, you know, if say pussy come over my life and start bring pussy feelings. Any boy will come for my life, come talk to for true you know no girl, go suck your mother, bro God. Cause the whole of you get up and hate lesbian like when you can't get no pussy. Dog gonna move in a bum buckler for you some of youth. Relax. Relax on yourself, man. You're not a man. You're not supposed to get more pussy than blood clot me. Wait, I hurt you for. True for me, woman, pretty of you. No make that bun on a dog. Go look, girl, man. Hey, you know, I really want to raise with the man them for a what day. Alright, men, make we ask them. Why you don't get up and eat to a lesbian girl? What kind of pussy me stop for you, brother? What kind of pussy me could have real? Me as a girl, well like girl, what kind of pussy me could have really stop for you with a man with a cocky? You, one man with a hood, where girl run down and girl supposed to want and girl supposed to need. How me a block no kind of traffic for you? How me a block no kind of, how me a hurt you? How me a put some kind of hurt in your heart? Eh? You know, me know we have a better girl for you that. No, man, bro, God. You can't like me, brother. Me make it known, say me not like cocky, bro, God. So when then the whole hour now go try force down this, you see why people can't stop dead, Grim? Me I'll show you a thing, Grim. Grim, me that pay you for kill all you. Cause you see all you, it's like you try force me to be something when me no want to be. I mean I go be it. So me rather kill you. You know what I go here? You know, you rather dead than have to mind your own business, brother. Be honest. You feel like say 90s this? Or I know the 80s this? One can just run down Batman, I want to run down Saddamite and kill them and not come out of it? Brother, a time for you to start mind on the one business now, man, youth. You see me? You remember, who know have no opinion and Batman and Saddamite have money for kill you know. You see, this is not the 90s and the 80s no more. Where, no, run down Batman and Sodomite and kill them. No. No, bro, God. And a side work again. No, Batman and Sodomite kill on to dog. You see, pray? Remember, on a target we, So we start target on the back now, too. You see, pray? Because we not allow we to be who we want to be, So if you are going to kill somebody to be who them want to be, at time for them start kill on too. I am for that. If one thing say, one to kill Batman and Saddamite, me think Batman and Saddamite to kill on too. Yeah, man. Me feel so one of a blood clot dead too. Because why you don't want to take the people alive? You see me, if a man freely want to go fuck Batty, Lord, the man making go fuck Batty. Nowadays, lesbian and gay, man. You see, anyone want to go in the streets. Them rushing if you do nothing at all. You stop them and kill them too. You kill them too, man. You tap it now. You see me? Fear is fear. If you think say, you can kill people and fear fuck Batty, then you kill you too. Yeah, man. Maybe the fear is fear. When you see them a blood clot come dog, with the tab up them bomb clot and kill them. You see me? Tired, people tired, for make uno live their life for them. You see me? Uno want tell girls that if you go take cocky and the poor girl then do not want it. But you don't want to force the girl them and that one of you do and this one. You don't top force people, man. You don't continue. I force people to do what they don't want to do. They will go kill on a dog. Love people, make people do what they want to do, man. If people want to fuck Batty, Lord, they make them fuck Batty. I feel Batty. So, you are going to walk and kill one man dream of fuck. If you kill your blood clot, anytime one Batty man or one lesbian soon, I try to come rush them to kill them. Them to kill on the back one. You know, if you love people, make them do what they want for the man. Yeah, man. If uno feel say, uno have the right to kill them, they will kill uno too. Me I tell you, me feel like say, I just right think that the people, alright. Me feel like say, if a gay person kill a straight person, nothing of it come out of it. Because 10 out of 10 times that person did not fucking bother that straight person. And the straight person bother that person. You see, pray? You see, right now, which part of the whole of we are reason, make a reason like big people. Right now. If you see a man who come kill you for do what you want to do, you don't kill him too, man. You kill him. Blood clot. Me tired of this. Where everybody come talk about, yo, blood clot, me a wait for God, every bumbuckler, me a live my life right, when me know my happiness, yes, so. Me never hear nobody come back and tell me about how heaven feel yet. But people tell you how life feel. Life hard, you fuck. Life sweet, you fuck. Life good in a way. Different ways people feel about life. But nobody can never come tell you what death feel like. Or who over heaven feel like. Me I live my life right, yes, and be blood clot happy. And if you're not gonna allow me to be happy and you want to kill me over my happiness, me I go retire your blood clot. Me I go retire you. Me I live life. What come next, come next. If you think something come next, that are your belief. What I know come next after this is death, bro God. You see, after this, where the whole of we are live and the whole of we there, yes, are Ray and a dead it name. You see me? Me want to live my life. You love me alone, make me blood clot live my life. Make me be happy in my own skin. Allow me to be happy. Which question that now? Allow me to be happy in myself. Allow me to blood clot be. Me get up and smile. Me bum buckle. Yo, you know how much people wanna see at Jamaica they ride this every day. Them get up them blood clot and happy because when they give people the way out them to live. None of them not give me no way to live. Me I live my life. Oh, me happy. Me can't make you do that for me. Me can't make you fuck up this for me, dog. No, dog. Can't make you fuck up this for me, youth. No. Youth, me say me can't make you fuck up this for me. Me can't make you live my life for me, dog. Me I go live for you and not me, and that not gonna work. Me can't do that. Wanna think about that? Eh? If me I go live for you, because what you think say right. Bumbuckler, the Jews then think that right, the Christian then think that right, the Muslim then think. Me no want to fight with none of that. All I want to do is just blow a bird. Me just a blow. I wake up every day and I blow and I good and I nice and I drink little tea. Yeah man, me no homeless, me alright. You see me want little $2 or $3 and my clothes. Me feel good. You see me? Yeah dog. That's it. Don't fuck up this to me. Don't try fuck up this to me, I beg you. Me not try fuck up for your thing. Don't fuck up my thing. Your thing, bro God. Love me, make me do my thing. You see me? Me nah knock you upon nothing what you want do. Don't knock me. Please. The whole of you try to be happy. You do what make you happy. You see me? Make me do what make me happy. Please, me all me beg on it. This is all me beg on it. All me beg on it. It's just feel, live the life. No business with me. That's it. The only thing I ask of one of you human beings, stop business with me. Stop telling me about what gonna happen when me dead. Stop telling me about the glory of God. Stop telling me about all of that. That's what me live right there, and then when the glory of God come. Me willing to take a punishment. When you see me out here and me do this, me willing to take a punishment. God kill me for life. Which girl? Me not black nobody is right now. As me tell them, just do a couple of years ago tell me nothing. Me no want to hear about fear beliefs. What you believe in, you believe in that. Please. Believe in it for yourself. Please don't force it on me. Me I beg you. Don't fuck up this to me. Me I beg you please. No matter fuck up me night. Don't fuck up me day. Just left me alone. You see me there? Left me make me suffer my consequences. With heavy action, there's a reaction. Who see the action when me go on with right now? Hello, God, forgive me my reaction. Make Father God give me my reaction, please. Don't give me no reaction. Make God give me my reaction. Me I beg him. One reaction must be there. Come here, go on with the action, right? Just let me be. Let me be. Me I beg you. Me not bow no head. All me I beg you for you bow your head. Me not pray right now. When me want to know if you do, is just allow me if you don't business with me. Me said don't business with blood clot me. Wanna see me a go down one pitch of darkness. I wanna see me a go down in a one pit of fire. Allow me if you go down in the go burn up. Left me make me go on down in it, go burn up and dead. Wanna see me a walk, I go over one cliff, make me go over a cliff. Please, allow me, make me walk. I must become one go over a cliff, make me walk, go over there. If you no see me a chuck off in our water, make can't swim, allow me to drown myself. Please, make me do it. Me I beg you, that's do it, that's allow me, make me do what I do. You see me? If you, I beg you. You see me? Maybe I beg you, please. Just allow me if you go do what I do in peace. Make me do what the fuck I do. Please, me I beg you. Me allow you to do it too. Hmm? I ask me about what? Who ask me something? Ask me about what? Me not reason about nobody, you know, We done with the whole heap of mischief and fuckery already. We are all reasoning. Prayer? Huh? Huh? Yes, glad. And the other reason why people like hear me talk about her, actually me talking truth about her, everybody else want to come talk about say, who get well soon? Fucker, yo. Me no bumbuck like you, you fucker. And that me go say. No blood clot there too, blood clot lie. Fucker. If you didn't get a gunshot in your blood clot, you don't have prayer today. Eh? Fucker, you man. Whatever you get, a pussy clot you can get. Fucker. Fucker, yo. My life, I don't know my mother.